big vessels, कभी कुछ हो गया, क्या हो गया, what is the safety of the patients, visualization of the anatomy, definitely कि क्या है, and then there used to be a concern of port site metastasis कि हम ट्यूमर निकाल ले तो पोर्ट पे मेटास्टेसिस होता है. But now over last 20 years we have got lot of randomized control data which I am not going to go in, which has proved that laparoscopic surgery in terms of long-term outcomes of cancer patients is equivalent to open surgery. The big difference is that definitely the short-term outcome of patients are better in laparoscopic surgery. Patient jaldi घर जाता है and definitely shorter hospital stay. And at the end of the lecture, I will also convince you all that definitely all type of big surgeries can be done laparoscopically. Definitely, I would not say all because you get advanced cases also. But if you select your patients well, and definitely now we have got so much of early screening, CT scan इतना available है, लोग जल्दी से diagnose होके आते, not like what used to happen 15 years. So definitely we are having a bigger pool of patients who are eligible for laparoscopic cancer surgery rather than open surgery. So role of MIS in oncology, yes, diagnostic is there. Sometimes we send patients for biopsy for abdominal cancers. CT guided or ultrasound guided is not possible. Paratic lymph node हो गया isolated because vessels are there. तो क्या करेंगे? Then only thing we have got कि diagnostic lab करके we take the biopsy under vision. Then definitely curative intent surgery is there. And palliative bypass or diversion. Like for example, you have got a metastatic CA stomach with a gastric outlet obstruction. Patient कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा. अभी उसके लिए एक ही चीज हम पैलेट कर सकते हैं, समझो स्टेंट नहीं लगता है, एंडोस्कोपिकली स्टेंट इज आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल, देन यू हैव टू डू अ गैस्ट्रोजेजुनोस्टोमी. बट देन फॉर अ स्टेज 4 पेशेंट वुड यू लाइक टू ओपन अप? नहीं, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज डू इट laparoscopically with use of staplers and everything. It is not more than a 1 hour procedure. Patient goes home very well without any problems. So diagnostic application, as I told you, staging laparoscopy is one. Before certain cancers we do a staging laparoscopy. जैसे कभी पैंक्रियाटिक कैंसर है पीपल्स में, भी नो कि 5% ऑफ ऑपरेबल पेशेंट्स में यू मे गेट पेरिटोनियल डिजीज. तो पहले सर्जन क्या करते थे, बड़ा कट ले लेते थे, अरे अभी मुझे पेरिटोनियम में बड़ा ये हो गया, अभी आई कैन नॉट ऑपरेट. सो in such cases when you know, just put a laparoscopy first, see whether everything is clear or no, and then you operate the patient. Resectability, borderline tumors है कभी कभी, definitely when we are in doubt, आपको लग रहा है कि स्कैन में बता रहा है इधर चिपका हुआ है नहीं चिपका, we don't know, put in a scope and see. If you feel resectable है, go laparoscopically or open, but at least अगर आपको पता है laparoscopically नहीं हो सकता, तो it is much better than not opening, better than opening up the patient. And as I told you, biopsies from inaccessible or difficult sites की जहाँ पे biopsy ऐसा possible नहीं होता. So coming to diagnostic application, I'll just share two small cases. So this was around 2 years ago, 60 years old female, presented with intermittent abdominal pain since 1 year. So CT scan just showed thickening in the terminal ileum, right colon and omental standing. Ascitic fluid cytology was negative. Okay, ADA was mildly raised, CA, CA125 all were normal. So definitely somebody had planned ADA mildly raised है, हम patient को AKT start करते हैं. Patient came to us at our center, then we said no, we will plan for a diagnostic laparoscopy, see what is there inside, at least take the biopsy. And then this was the biopsy. So you can see all lesions, studded peritoneum which are studded with, and finally biopsy came out to be the epithelial ovarian malignancy. So definitely we have a definitive role कि at least हमें पता चला, नहीं तो just without a biopsy patient would have been on AKT and she would have progressed further. And second case again, 48-year female presented with recurrent abdominal pain, weight loss. She had typical ascites, omental standing, bowel thickening, and ovarian cyst. CA120 was a mildly raised, around 120, around 200, 300 के आसपास था. And cytology report came that query malignant cell, atypical cell लग रहा है. So definitely we thought पता नहीं, and we asked the CT person कि is there anything where we can biopsy, आपको लग रहा है क्या? तो हमें बोला कि नहीं, biopsy is not possible, it is इतना कोई हमें solid lesion नहीं दिख रहा. So we planned for a diagnostic laparoscopy for this patient, and then you can see that came out to be miliary tuberculosis. So you can see these white tubercles. So we know that cases like tuberculosis also present with rise CA125. Definitely हमारे मन में है कि CA125 is a ovarian tumor marker, but I have seen tuberculosis can also present with CA125, and definitely in such cases as clinicians we have to be alert to what we are dealing with. Directly starting a treatment without a biopsy or a tumor marker is never advisable. Just give me 2 minutes. Just hang.